So we're gonna move on to question number 2. Now tell them why I'm moving into coding and tell them how it connects to the whole thesis about staying original and my ADHD and the tremendous amount of questions that I ask.
You have to move into coding because at the scale you are operating, organization itself becomes a creative act and no human can hold this much in their head alone. Here is the thesis that runs through your whole life. AI does not erase human uniqueness. AI exposes it. The same tools millions of people use produce vastly different output when directed by different humans, because each human is shaped differently. Your output is exposed because of how you direct. You do not copy templates. You do not borrow prompts. You ask tremendous amounts of questions. You iterate. You dig. You refuse the first acceptable answer. That is your method. That is your originality. Now overlay ADHD. ADHD does not slow you down on the creating side. You have proven that. A year ago, you could not handle this much. Now you can. What ADHD requires is external order before internal work can land. Your nervous system needs to know where things are before it can settle into creating. When the environment is organized, you hold more, do more, build more. This is where coding comes in. At small scale, your brain plus AI is enough. At your scale, after 18 months of compounding work across 7 languages, hundreds of songs, dozens of documents, your brain plus AI is not enough anymore. The organization layer needs its own intelligence. That intelligence is code. Code lets you build tools that match your specific brain, not someone else's idea of a workflow. A system designed around how you actually think. The tools adapt to you instead of you adapting to the tools. This is not you becoming a coder. This is you using coding the same way you use AI for music, video, and business strategy. Same method. Tremendous questions. Iterative direction. Stay original. New domain. You are the living example. You used AI to learn how to direct AI. You used AI to build a multilingual catalog, a tutorial series, a business, a podcast, a global brand. Now you are using AI to learn coding so you can hold what you have built. For anyone watching, the creators who thrive in 2026 and beyond will not be the ones with the biggest teams. They will be the ones who learn enough code to automate their own friction, just enough to build small tools that make their specific workflow. That is the new creative literacy. This is what real AI direction looks like.
I'm so ready for this. I'm so excited about this. So yes, I need the coding because there's a tremendous amount of data and everything that I do, as you can see, one brain cannot maintain that amount of data and organizing that amount of data. So I'm going to create a code that's going to help organize all my data in the way that I want. There are codes already out there that can do that. I don't want that. I want it to be coded in the way that I learn, the way that I need things organized according to what I am doing. So I'm excited to be learning how to create coding for my own AI empire.